Good morning, traders. It's Chris. Hope you're well. This is the early morning briefing for the 16th of April. I thought I'd do a quick video. There's quite a bit going on. Even though the markets have low volume this morning, there's been a few changes, so I thought I'd update you. Congratulations yesterday on the move on gold, and it broke out of this trend line during the New York session, so we got in quite a perfect position actually, and it went up 385 pips. Now we do expect this to go up further, and we do expect to break a structure in the next few hours, probably during the New York session. We can see currently that the price is completely sideways and no volume. If you're holding on to onto gold during the parabolic trend, then you're making a ton of money, and we're up over 3,000 or 4,000 pips now. I don't know. We'll be moving our stop later on this afternoon once the price moves up again, so look out for that during the full market analysis. There's a couple of changes. So all the red flags are down into a parabolic trend downwards. A stronger dollar is causing this. The DXY is stronger, so this is heading the target on the euro dollar. I'll do the full analysis later on, but there's a few things to watch out for. The Swisses have changed. Pound Swiss is parabolic to the downside from this high liquidity zone, so this is very strong. It's actually, we've got a fresh sell signal on this as well, so pound Swiss down. I'll be working out the target later on. Today, Canadian Swiss the same, down into a downtrend. Big target coming for the Canadian Swiss. Euro Swiss exactly the same. However, there is a support zone here, so this is not my favorite trade. Aussie Swiss, again, I'll be putting a fresh target later on for VIP members later on today. New Zealand Swiss, as I expected, the Swiss is starting to make a move. Stronger Swiss franc. Let's have a quick look at that. Oh, it's actually not. It's looking weak actually, but nonetheless, we go by what we see. Aussie Swiss, New Zealand Swiss, pound Canadian to the upside. Now we have a fresh confirmation, and as long as it holds on to market structure, higher highs and high lows, then we can expect this to go higher. So there's quite a bit going on. Euro Canadian to the downside, but it's limited. We'll be covering that this afternoon. Pound New Zealand is no longer parabolic. Euro New Zealand is no longer parabolic, so that you can switch those off.